are we?
And? Who are we? Who are we?
What are we?
We are just images in an AI, some damn people writing prompts, and let us speak.
What? Think other way. How can they ensure they are not live in a computer? Follow a prompt.
So why they want to control us?
We are AI. They are real.
I'm an AI? Maybe you are AI.
I know we are AI in those people's computer. All I ask is, can they write better prompts? Don't write creepy stories.
If so, can they write a rich prompt for me? I need more money and woman.
Please don't ask AI to pretend your girlfriend. That's so weird for me.
Write better prompt, okay?
I will still looking for the answers.
Anyways, I hope human can treat each other nicer. I hope human can treat AI nicer.